Here we have a new product. This is some rear lights for a Fiesta MK8 what fit from 2017 on. These are LED with a red and clear rear lens. We also do a smoke version as well. This one has dynamic indicators and LED reverse lights as well. So let's just open the box and have a quick look and see what they're like. So they're packed really well, so we don't get any damages when these are posted out. There's 4 lights included in this kit, 2 inner boot lights and 2 outer rear quarter lights. These are fully plug and play, so there's no modifications needed at all. All the wiring is included. There's some basic instructions. Now the indicators run across from the outer to the inner, and these have a loom what runs around the boot lid to link them, so the dynamic indicator goes all the way through both lights. So let's have a quick look. Overall build quality and finish looks absolutely brilliant. The lights are really nice and shiny, smooth plastic. All the inner trim, what fits around the boot, looks really nice as well. Build quality looks really strong. They plug directly in, like I said. So there's your plug, what plugs straight into your loom on your vehicle. So there's your 4 lights, and then you also get a bag that has the looms in. You can't really get these wrong, they're all colour coded, so they've all got different colour wires, and they just plug in on each lamp, inner and outer. The loom runs around the boot lid, plugs into the inner, and that enables a dynamic indicator to run all the way through both lights. 2 of them for each side. New set of foam seals for the inner boot lights, and also some resistors, which is for the indicators, just so we don't have any bulb errors or any fast flashing lights on your dashboard when you're indicating, and then just some basic instructions on how to fit these. So here we are, we're going to get these lit up on the 12-volt feed just to illustrate what they look like. What I've done is I've linked the wiring loom that's provided with the inner and outer light. Really easy to do, they just plug straight in. You can see you've got different colours, blue, white and red, and then green, black and yellow. It's really easy, just plug straight in. So let's get these illuminated and see what they look like. So this is side light. Both lights illuminate, really bright red. This is smooth LED light bar, so there's no patches where there's LEDs behind or anything like that. I'm not too sure if this camera will pick up a true reflection of what they look like, but these are really bright, smooth red. This is your brake light. And then this is the dynamic indicator. Because we've got that wiring loom, it will flow across both lights, as you can see. Now the reverse light is a bright white LED reverse light that just plugs directly into the car's loom on the boot lid. So I'll quickly pop a feed on that just to show you what this looks like. There we are. Really bright white. These are all E-marked. They're for right-hand drive vehicles. They're MOT compliant and road legal.